Guys, welcome back to Unbox JSD. Today we are gonna unbox HP 200 wireless keyboard and mouse. Let's unbox it. Here we go. We have a keyboard, a mouse and a dongle. Here is the mouse. We need to add batteries in it. The dongle, which we need to keep to a PC or laptop or any device. We have got batteries in it. And finally we have HP 200 wireless keyboard. We have some manuals here. Some steps to use keyboard and mouse. Let's see the keyboard now.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live.
The keyboard is looking good. Keys are nice. You can type easily. We need to add batteries here. 2 AAA batteries should be added there. So well, after unboxing, it's been a month I'm using it. I've experienced some problems. Its battery life is too low and I have experienced connectivity problem so many times. So I think this product is not worth the price. So if you're thinking to buy this product, try to avoid it or just find an alternative of this product. See how small is the mouse. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unbox JSD. Thank you.